Many people think that creating social media designs is difficult, that you need experience or special tools or even design knowledge. And because of this, they don't even start. Maybe you feel the same. You have ideas, you want to create content, but when it comes to design, you stop and you don't move forward. In this video, I will show you, step by step, how to create simple, clean designs using AI inside Simplified. And the best part is, you don't need any design experience to follow along. Design is one of the biggest challenges in content creation. Not writing, not editing, but design. Choosing colors, placing elements, making everything look clean and balanced. This is where many beginners get stuck. They spend too much time trying to make everything perfect. They change things again and again, and in the end, they create less content. And less content means slower growth. That's why having a simple system is so important. Now let's take a look at how this works. Go to the design section. Here you can see different options: social media posts, templates, different formats, different layouts. This is important because you are not starting from scratch. You are starting from something already built. Let's choose a template. For example, an Instagram post. You can see there are many options, different styles, different designs, different layouts. At this point, you don't need to overthink it. Just choose one. That looks simple and clean. You can always change it later. Now, let's edit the text. Click on the text and replace it. Write your own message or use AI-generated content. This part is very simple and very fast. Everything happens in one place. Now the image. If you don't like it, you can replace it. Upload your own image or choose another one. With just one change, the whole design starts to look different. Now let's talk about colors. This is where many beginners struggle, but here you can change colors very quickly, and the whole design updates automatically. You don't need to think too much, just keep it simple. The goal is not perfection, the goal is speed and consistency. If you can create faster, you can publish more, and if you publish more, you grow faster. That's the real advantage. Here is a simple process. Choose a template, edit the text, change the image, export the design. That's it. You don't need anything else. If you want to try this tool, you will find a link in the description. There is a free plan available, so you can test it and see how it works. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. In the next video, I will show you how to build a complete AI content system, step by step,